I am a single resin pellet, a simple piece of plastic. My transformation begins with a great idea. The heroes at B-Braun will unlock my potential, and incredible technology will bring me to life, so that I can save yours. I am hope. I am healing. And this is my journey.
We are B-Braun and we are hospital heroes.
B-Braun is a global leader in healthcare solutions and medical technology, known for our innovation, sustainability, and improving patients' lives.
B-Braun creates a wide range of intravenous administration sets, IV fluid bags, and solutions.
These products deliver medications, nutrients, and pain management therapies to patients.
B-Braun is unique because of its game-changing innovations in medical safety and technology, making the safest possible products for our patients. We produce disposable medical products focusing on infusion therapy and pain management. We're part of the entire healthcare infrastructure for the entire country.
There are real heroes behind the scenes who are making our products every day that can help people's lives.
At B-Braun, a pellet is not just a piece of plastic, it's the future of healthcare.
First, the pellets are melted down and shaped into parts using special machines. Next, those parts are carefully inspected for quality. Only the best pieces move forward. Then, the parts are assembled into finished medical products, items which doctors and nurses rely on every day. Finally, the products are packed up, stacked onto pallets, and shipped out to hospitals and clinics around the world.
B-Braun is committed to automation and growth by streamlining their manual processes.
They're also making things more digital in order to get the best possible data to make the best decisions.
Our devices are essential to the work of doctors, nurses, and surgeons who rely on them every day.
My wife was in labor. I saw the B-Braun logo and it brought some peace to my mind.
B-Braun's products are saving lives, but there are also heroes working behind the scenes.
Everything I do decide quality-wise can affect the lives of the people around me as well as the community and the world as a whole.
From the machinery to the equipment to the parts, every person gets affected by what we do.
What I do will have an impact on someone's health and their well-being as well as their families and loved ones.
One day, I might save your life or the life of someone you love. Just remember, heroes aren't born, they're manufactured.